Welcome to XA Economics tutorial. Once again, I want to say thank you for joining. In the last class, the previous class, we actually took our time to explain the introductory part to differentiation techniques. Now today we're going to be looking at these different techniques in detail. We're going to start with the general term, but take note that we have differentiation from first principle, and then we also have differentiation from general rules, or can call it general terms, or can call it general principles. So today we are going to be touching on general principle. In our subsequent videos, we are going to be looking at differentiation from first principle, but let's start with general principle today. Now the first technique is general term, meaning that if you are given a function such as y equals to ax raised to power n, where a is constant or coefficient of x is the independent variable here, y is the dependent variable, and n here, n is actually the power or the index or exponent. The standard form of this is actually n ax raised to power n minus 1. In other words, we're trying to say you bring down the power to multiply everything, then take 1 from the power. So whenever you differentiate, you subtract, you take the power to multiply back the function, and then you take 1 from the power. You subtract 1 from the power. Let's take for instance example number 1. Let's say we're given y equals to 2x raised to power 6. Here the power is 6, the coefficient is 2, and here the independent variable is x, the dependent variable is y. So what do? dy dx. The moment you write dy dx, that means you have started differentiating. So what I advise is this: leave a space and write back the question. What is the question? The question is 2x raised to power 6. The next thing you do, bring the power down to multiply the question, take away 1 from the power. So what we have is 6 times 2 is 12, and then take away 1 from 6, we have x raised to power 5. That's final answer. Let's take a look at another example. Let's take a look at another example. Example 2. Let's say we have y equals to x raised to power 3. X raised to power 3. This becomes dy on dx. What do? Leave a space, write back the question, then bring the power down to multiply back the question, take away 1 from the power. So what you have is 3x raised to power 3x raised to power 2. Let's take another one. We have example 3. Y is equals to 10x raised to power 2. Now take a look at this. The power here is what? The power is 2. So what do? I'm going to say dy on dx will give me, write back the question, 10x raised to power 2. The power is what? The power is 2. Bring it down to multiply, take away 1 from the power. So this will be 2 times 10 is 20, x raised to power 1. Finally, x raised to power 1 is still 20. So this becomes 20x. So watch out for our next technique in our subsequent video. But please do not forget to actually click on the subscribe button, hit on the notification bell to get subsequent videos from us, and do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.